Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable power saving mode on this laptop. So to do that, right click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, open power and sleep settings, scroll down and select energy saver. Expand this tab, and if your battery saver is enabled, to manually switch it off, switch the toggle to the left. Now if you want to switch it off forever, expand this list and select never right here. And this way the energy saver will go off forever. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.